Ever wondered why A24's films and shows don't just look different, but feel different? Think about the creeping dread of Hereditary or the surreal neon dreamscape of Euphoria. There's something deeper happening in every frame, something that pulls you in and refuses to let go. Today, we're taking a journey into what makes A24's visuals unforgettable. A24 isn't just a studio, it's a signature. When you watch one of their films or shows, you know you're in for an experience. Whether it's the quiet tension of The Lighthouse or the vibrant chaos of Euphoria, their visuals speak directly to the soul. But what exactly makes them stand out? It's not just about pretty pictures, it's about creating emotions and telling stories through the lens. Let's start with cinematography, the way the camera moves, the angles it chooses. In Hereditary, it's not about fast cuts or jump scares. Instead, the camera lingers, holding steady as the terror unfolds in the background. It's that patience, that tension building, which makes your heart race before anything even happens. Compare that to Midsommar, where the horror isn't hidden in the shadows. It's right there, in broad daylight. Wide, sunlit shots show everything, and that's what makes it even more unsettling. And then there is Euphoria, where the camera dances with the characters, dynamic, fluid, capturing the highs and lows of adolescence. Every movement tells a story, whether it is slow, deliberate, or chaotic. But it's not just the camera, it's the lighting that breathes life into A24's visuals. In The Lighthouse, the harsh, cold lighting creates a world that feels claustrophobic, nightmarish, as if the walls are closing in on you. It's unsettling because it doesn't let you escape. Then there is Euphoria again, where neon lights flood the screen, capturing the wild, confusing energy of growing up. Each flash of color is a burst of emotion. And in Moonlight, the lighting is soft, gentle, almost reflecting the vulnerability of Chiron's journey. It's tender, intimate, pulling you into this world. A24's directors love to play with framing. It's subtle, but it's powerful. Take The Lighthouse, where the characters are often trapped in tight, symmetrical frames, amplifying the tension and the isolation they feel. Or Hereditary, where wide, empty spaces make the characters seem small and helpless, swallowed by the dread around them. Then, in Euphoria, everything shifts. The framing is loose, chaotic, reflecting the inner turmoil of the characters. Every choice, every angle is intentional. It's not just about looking good on screen, it's about making you feel something. Here's where A24's visuals become more than just aesthetics. In Moonlight, the colors, the lighting, they reflect Chiron's emotional journey. When he's vulnerable, we see soft blues and gentle hues. When he's struggling, the tones get darker, more intense. It's as if the film is speaking in colors. Then there's Midsommar, where the bright, almost blinding daylight clashes with the darkness of the story. It's disturbing because everything's out in the open, and yet it feels so wrong. And in Euphoria, it's the chaos of adolescence captured visually, through frantic camera work, flashing lights, and disorienting angles. These aren't just random stylistic choices, they're woven into the very fabric of the story. Every visual decision A24 makes is there to deepen the narrative, to make sure you don't just watch this story, you experience it. And that's the secret. A24's visuals aren't just about looking cool, they're about creating an emotional connection. Whether it's the eerie slowness of Hereditary, the dreamlike beauty of Moonlight, or the vibrant, chaotic energy of Euphoria, each frame is designed to pull you in, to make you feel something. You're not just an observer, you're part of the world they've created. A24's mastery of visuals is more than just technical brilliance, it's emotional storytelling at its finest. It's what makes their films and shows stick with you long after the credits roll. And if you've ever wanted to recreate that cinematic magic in your own projects, head over to pixflow.net, where you'll find the tools and LUTs to give your videos that same unforgettable touch. Thank you for joining me on this journey through A24's visual world. If you love this breakdown, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the art of filmmaking. See you in the next one.